Let's talk rugs. Buying a rug is a really big decision for a space because it's a very visual feature. And I'm going to give you guys a few guidelines to think about when purchasing an area rug. Number one, don't use wool. This is the ugliest sample I could possibly find of a wool rug. And wool is extremely unethical. It is a fabric that is also loaded with pesticides. And the sheep suffer, the workers suffer. There is no such thing as responsible wool, so please do not believe it. You can see Luke is so upset by this conversation, he turned his back on me. So here's the ugliest sample, so I hope you never buy a wool rug. Okay, moving on. We have polyester, non-animal based. Polyester is really soft. It's not as durable as nylon. I actually have used this rug quite a bit for clients' spaces like bedrooms because it's really cushy, really soft, but not as durable when it comes to dirt. Nylon is awesome. I use nylon a lot in a lot of spaces that are very, very busy, families, beachy areas, country homes, because it's a durable rug and it picks up dirt easily and it's pretty. And now the thing is with nylon and polyester rugs, you don't have the availability of all those beautiful colors and patterns that you would have with wool rugs. So you just have to be a little creative. And I don't mind that. I don't mind having a neutral palette for a rug because then I can go crazy with my fabric selections, which I'll show you in a second. But there's one other type of non-animal based rug that I use in dining rooms typically because it's a bit of a fancier look, or a living room that's not used a lot. And that is called tencel. Tencel is made from bamboo, and here's another tencel. It has a very shiny look to it. It has a very rich, almost silk-like look, but you're not using silkworms. So you have tencel, you have polyester, which is soft and cushy, not as durable, and then you have nylon. Now, so I have this basic nylon rug. What do I do with the space if I want to add tons of energy and color? What's great is it's a neutral palette. I can add any fabric, anything will go with it. You can have so much fun with your fabrics. There you have it.